Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add music to your video in Canva. And this is quite simple. What I like to use is when you have a YouTube channel and you go to the creator music beta and you click here on view free tracks, you will find here a lot of tracks which are free. So first of all, it's free to purchase. So right now if I want to download If I Had a Chicken, we click on the three dots and then we click on download track. Then right now we click here on OK, and now we downloaded the track right here. If we now go to Canva and we click here on uploads, audio, and then do upload files, and we go to downloads, you have here just right here from Kevin MacLeod, If I Had a Chicken, and if you double click on that, he is loading the track in to Canva. And when this loading process is done, we can throw this track just right here in our timeline. And then right now we need to wait. And if we now click on play, and there it is, guys. This is seriously how easy it is. Hopefully this video helped you out. This is the free way how you can add music to your video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.